Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Electricity Department should not ask consumers to buy service cable at own cost. Joint Electricity Regulatory Commission to set up 3 new tariff for next 3 years. Sankalkars are eager to start farming, but land infested with salty water from last 5 years. Locals want new ZP member to get the sluice gate work done. Babush sacked from Congress for 6 years. GPCC says Sonia Gandhi has upheld the resolution of the Goa committee. Babush says thank you. Leopard cornered in a cable trap was rescued by Forest Department at Mapa, Panchwadi. Trap was laid for wild boars. Three out of 4 Junketeer MLAs make payment for Brazil trip. Abertano Furtado, Glenn Ticklow and Benjamin Silva make payment. Carlos yet to pay. Now the news in detail. Electricity Department officials should not ask the consumers to buy service cable at their own cost. Activists complained to the chairman of Joint Electricity Regulatory Commission that Electricity Department harasses consumers while allotting connections. Commission cleared that the department should provide consumer with required connection material. Commission has commenced to set up new tariff on units for the next 3 years.
Joint Electricity Regulatory Commission hears the government and consumers before fixing the tariffs on units. Besides that, Commission also adheres to the complaints raised by the consumers. A public hearing was held in Panji on Wednesday to fix increased tariff per unit for next 3 years. Activist Roland Martins highlighted various problems faced by the consumers.
Let a billing procedure be put in place, sir. Because if the consumer can pay on time, then there is no burden on the consumer. They can get their money on time. So then 30-meter wire, sir, from the pole to the house. Many times the consumer is told you go to the market and purchase it. Now, I do not know how we can bring this back in place and put this system in place.
No infrastructure is required to be purchased by consumer.
Okay.
It is duty of the department that has to provide services to the customer.
Goa government proposed to increase the tariff by 20 paise per unit for domestic consumers. Currently, for slab of 1 to 60 unit is rupees 1.20 paise. Government proposes to increase slab to 1 to 100. Second slab, which is 61 to 250, has been increased by 101 to 200 and tariff is increased from 1.70 paise to 2 rupees. Third slab 251 to 500 has been increased to 201 to 400. Tariff is increased from 2.75 paise to 3.20 paise. Lastly, 501 and above has been increased to 401 and above. Tariff has been increased from 320 to 3.70 paise.
और इस बार हमने उनसे कहा था कि हर साल एक ही करके आप आते हैं, वैसे मत आइए, क्या प्लान्स हैं, आप क्या बनाना चाहते हैं और 3 साल के अंतराल में कितना आप बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, क्या करना चाहते हैं, वो दीजिए हम। हाँ, गवर्नमेंट ने अपना सजेशन दिया, हमने आप लोगों के सजेशन सुन लिए, उसके बीच में से रास्ता हम निकालेंगे।
क्या आपने उनको कॉर्पोरेशन बनाने का कंपलसरी किया है? दिया है। और कितने पिछले बार भी आपने दिया था कॉर्पोरेशन?
कहा था कि जितना जल्दी आप चाहे बना लीजिए।
Consumers have raised their complaints to the Commission regarding confusion in bills, new connections and meters. On the other side, government intends to increase the tariff. Come April and consumers would know the improved efficiency of the department. Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
Sankalkars are eager to start farming in the vast stretch of Kazan land, but the land is infested with salty water. From the last 5 years, as sluice gates are left open. Locals demand that the new ZP member should get the sluice gate work done at the earliest. At Vidyanagar, locals want that their new ZP member to utilize the open spaces for recreational centres and children park. Sankwal awaits major revamp. In our part 2 of Battle ZP, special report on Sankwal.
Farmers at Sakwar are very much eager for farming, but they are facing blocks, some natural, some man-made.
इतली वर्सां हें शेत रोवपा आशेता आनी जायते आमी मामलेदारां पासून रिपोर्ट केले. हे शेताक एक हाजोना लागता आनी हाजोनांतल्यान होळी येता ती सारकी ह्या शेतांतल्यान येता. ती होळी ती ब्लॉक जाल्या आनी तें उदक हें इजी फ्लो जायना शेतांतलें आनी तें आडवोन उरता आनी उदक ह्या शेतांत उरता आनी हें शेत हें पाड जालां. सो झेडपान जातालें ती होळी उस्तून हे शेतकारांक सोंपेपण दिवपा शेत रोवपाक.
Current ZDP member does not hold any credit for work in last 5 years. Locals want successor ZDP to get the culvert and internal roads constructed.
पण आतां 5 वर्सां जालीं कांयच व्हडलें इम्प्रूवमेंट जालें ना. कितले शेतकार आमी आतां 8, 9, 10 वर्सां जालीं झगडटात मामलेदारा कडेन. आनी आमच्या शेतां बुडयतात तें नुस्त्याक खावपाक लागून जिल्ल्याच्यान हें करपा जाता. मागीर मिडल धाकटे बारीक बारीक रोड्स आहा हिंगा कितले वर्सां जालीं आमी झगडटाय रोडाक रोड ना. ते रोड तेंच्या विदीन बजेटान आहा जाल्यार ते रोड करपा जाताले कांयच खबर ना.
People expect new bandaras and health service initiatives.
बांदारे बांदपाक जाय आसले, थंय मानस बांदपाक जाय आसली, ही तेणी कामां करपाक जाय आसली. मॉस्किटो ब्रिडींग हें तें सगळें जाल्लें आसा. तेन्ना तें सॉल्व जावपाक जाय.
Vidyanagar wants new ZDP member to develop open spaces for recreational purpose.
MPs who were elected have not lived up to our expectations. In our area, in Vidyanagar, there were so many open spaces which are not developed. The ZP could have developed them. We could have had a nice children's park, could have a nice recreation hall where lots of other courses could have been conducted.
Dishan Parab for Battle ZDP from Sakwar.
Babush Monserrat has been sacked from the Congress party for 6 years. Goa Pradesh Congress informed media that High Command has issued the order. Babush Monserrat happily reacted to the news and said he welcomes the party decision. He said he would rather breathe in a clean river than living in a dirty ocean. Decision has come following GPCC President Luisino Falero's insistence to get the order from Delhi.
GPCC had taken a resolution to sack Babush from the party for campaigning against Congress candidate Suren Furtado in Panji by poll. GPCC had demanded to sack Babush from the party. However, there was no action from High Command for a long time. GPCC President Luisino Falero met the High Command in Delhi and demanded action on Babush. It is now known that Babush has been sacked from the party, but only for 6 years.
The Honorable Congress President Srimati Sonia Gandhi has agreed to the proposal, the resolution of the Executive Committee of the Goa Pradesh Congress Committee for taking stern disciplinary action against all the party leaders who have worked against the party and are committing acts of indiscipline accordingly. Honorable Congress President Srimati Gandhi, considering the conduct and the acts of indiscipline of the St. Cruz constituency MLA Shri Atanasio Monserrat, has decided to expel Shri Monserrat from the Congress party for a term of 6 years.
On the other side, Babush Monserrat has welcomed the party decision and said he is happy.
I accept the decision. I've got no issue over that decision. Now there's always a saying, they always say at least Congress that Congress is an ocean. So I prefer to remain in the river than in the polluted ocean. At least I believe that I don't require a party. I require people. That is more important to me. People, it is party can expel you. People should not expel you. Regional farm, we will see. Azun time hanu election hanu 2 hours ha. Till then kiden jaite सांगू शकना. So let us wait and watch the situation. At present, I'm free. I'm breathing free, clean and fresh air. So I'm okay with that decision. Congress says there's a democracy in the party. I don't see that as a democracy in the party. It is all a dictatorship party which is going on in the state. I wish them all the best and all this.
GPCC said Sonia Gandhi has approved to sack Babush from the party. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
A leopard cornered in a cable trap was rescued by Forest Department at Mapa Panchwadi near Mysal Dam. Cable trap was laid for wild boars. Forest Department rushed to the spot when they received the information. The leopard was first tranquilized and later caged and dispatched to Bondla Zoo.
Forest Department rescued a leopard in Mapa Panchwadi near Mysal Dam. Leopard was stuck in a cable trap, actually laid for wild boars. When Forest Department learnt about the incident, officials rushed on the spot and rescued the wild cat. Leopard was tranquilized and later caged. Forest Department has appealed people to stop laying such cable traps to catch wild animals.
लोकांनी थोडे अंडरस्टँड जावन हे जे केबल घालता आनी ताचेर विचार करून हे केबल लावपाक जायना. हे पद्दतीन वायल्ड लायफ डिविजनान वर्कशॉप अरेंज केल्ले आनी जे विलेजीस आसा तांचे पंचायत मेंबर्स किंवा सरपंचाक इन्वायट केल्ले की ज्याचे ताणें अवेरनेस करपाक जाय. पूण लोकां कडेन कितले पर्यंत पावलें कांयच कळुना कित्याक सेम जाग्यार लास्ट टायम जसो ट्रॅप सेट केल्लो हे वेळार थंय त्याच जाग्यार ट्रॅप केला.
4 months back, a leopard was trapped in a similar cable trap in the same locality. But leopard succeeded to escape when Forest Department team was trying to rescue it. This time officials didn't miss it.
फिमेल दिला ती मादी लेपर्ड आनी तुमी पळयला आसतलें ते रॉड आसलेलो वो मागीर तुमी काडा शूटिंग तेजी टॉर्शन स्टॉल सो प्रोफेशनल मनीस पोचर जो आसा तो करता हे. सो एखाद्या वेळाक दुकराक लावंक शकता ते पण इट इज व्हेरी सिरियस क्रायम. वायल्ड लायफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्टाच्या अंडर जर मेळ्ळो जाल्यार 3 years इम्प्रिजनमेंट भितर सरळ पडटा मिनिमम आनी मॅक्झिमम 7 years.
Mayur Naik for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.